Hi, my name is Ivan Gonzalez, and I'm a paralegal at the Evans International Law Firm, and this is.
Hi, my name is Zong. I'm an associate attorney working for Teal Firms.
And today we're going to talk about healthcare and how it affects the world today. So, Attorney Yin, what is the ACA?
So ACA is an abbreviation of Affordable Care Act. It's a federal legislation which became effective in March of 2010.
Okay, and what is the Affordable Care Act? What is it supposed to do?
So it's supposed to provide health insurance for people. It will, like specifically, it will target on helping those people who are poor and like have low income and who cannot um, afford the previous health insurance from those private company. Also, it benefit those people who have pre-existing condition, which means that you don't need, when you buy the insurance, you don't need to worry about reporting or try to avoid reporting your previous illness report.
Okay, so it should help a lot of people. I mean, how many people does it help?
So the number we have right now in 2017, there are 10 million people enrolled into this Obamacare plan.
10 million. So what's happening with the ACA, or what's going to be happening?
Yeah, so I think the new administration tried to repeal the ACA, and they want to pass another kind of act. Nickname will be Trump Care, I guess. So it's called the American Health Care Act.
Okay, what is the Republican incentive? What does that
Um,
mean?
well, I don't know like the exact incentive, but we guess that they end up what they say is they want to create like a healthy competition in the health insurance market.
Okay.
That's what they say.
What does that mean for private citizens? Because it seems like private citizens are going to be helped out a lot.
Yeah, so if the AHCA, the American Health Care Act, is passed, then it means those covered under the provision of Obamacare with the pre-existing condition will lose their health care. People need to, especially those low-income people, will need to pay more, and it can also be some retroactive effect, like the people need to pay the retroactive coverage that they don't pay before. So
Okay, and what can that mean for businesses? Is that good or bad for businesses?
yeah, it makes a lot for business. Well, yeah, it's good and bad, but I think the bad effect will weigh more than the good effect
Mm-hmm.
because, for example, like employers, like business people, when they're hiring employees, they
Mm-hmm.
need to provide some health care insurance.
Yeah.
If we have the AHCA pass, then it will kind of give them some more burden on paying that health care plan. And also for those people with pre-existing condition, they may need to pay more if they want to get covered. And then I think, and also since we're still it's the end of the March, but we're still in the International Women Month, so we also want to mention is like it will be a big effect on women because like women we also, I mean, as a woman, we always need to have some examination for our body. If we gave birth to a baby, is a huge cost. Like my friend who just gave birth to a baby not long ago, she told me that she just for those examination before like during the pregnancy she spent like 10,000 already.
Oh,
if
wow.
if she doesn't have the insurance cover, she need to spend at least like 10,000. It doesn't include the money for surgery when she gave birth to the baby. So if we have the ACA repeal, then for those women they may get affected by that. So yeah, and also like other like medication costs, like examination costs will
It
go
can,
high.
yeah,
Yeah, it can
add
go
on.
high.
Yeah,
Yeah,
wow.
as well.
So did it pass? Did the ACH pass?
I think the newest, I just learned that it was not passed like
Not
this.
passed.
Yeah, like
Oh.
this day, today or the day before. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it has not passed yet. Well, this is Till Firms, your weekly video. Um, again, my name is Ivan Gonzalez. I'm a paralegal at the Evans International Law Firm. This is
I'm Yan, associate attorney at Till Firms. If you have any comments or suggestions or advice, just feel free to give us the comments. You can like it or follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn.
Twitter,
Yeah.
just all social medias. Feel free to like, subscribe, and follow our news feed, and please contact us at 708-531-1740 if you have any questions. This is Ivan, and this is your TL Legal Minute.
Thank you for watching.